Hello everyone, my name is Ongun TASARKUYU. I am studying at Bulent Ecevit University. My department is civil engineering. Today, I'll talk about a vehicle that is most used construction area, JCB 3SX Backhoe Loader. JCB is a British company, one of the generally recognized leader in the world construction equipment. JCB is the company that invented the Backhoe Loader in 1953. Market leader in 74 countries, around half of all the backhoe loaders sold in the world today are GCBs. 3SX construction equipment equipped with a bucket in front of and a small excavator on the rear of the tractor body. It's used in jobs such as loading, carrying, and digging various materials. Now, I will give information about general dimensions. Transport length is 5.62 meters. Transport height 3.61 meters. Rear wheel track and front wheel track is 2.35 meters. The vehicle have maximum 7,370 kilograms working weight. Engine power is 92 horsepower. Maximum digging depth 4.24 meter. Maximum lifting capacity 3,169 kilograms. The 3SX has a top speed 37 km/h. Fuel tank 160 liter. Maximum working height 5.53 meter and maximum load overweight 3.84 meter. 2021 model GCB 675,000 Turkish liras in Turkey and 2021 GCB 3SX $78,000 in USA. Advantages: GCB EcoMax is a highly efficient 74 horsepower Tier 4 final engine that doesn't require costly DPF technology. This keeps servicing and refueling costs low. Maintenance interval of GCB backhoe loader models is 500 hours.